We have some big breaking news coming in. Hospital authorities confirm that both the Bachchans are stable and that there is no reason to worry. They're not critical. Their vitals are stable. Well, those are the details we have. Nanavati Hospital, in fact, saying that both Amitabh Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan are comfortable and feeling better. Their general blood chemistries are acceptable with stable vitals. Both also slept well and had their breakfast. They are stable for now. Going across to Radhika for more details. Radhika, a lot of concern over the fact that two much-loved superstars have been infected. But good to know that as of now, they seem to be doing relatively good.
Yes, absolutely. This is what the hospital authorities, the doctors and the spokesperson of the hospital had been reiterating since yesterday, that they are stable. There is nothing to worry about. There is no need for any critical care support for Amitabh Bachchan at all. That they are in the isolation unit of Nanavati Hospital and they needn't be shifted to any, ventilator support or ICU or critical care. None of that is required, as was being feared by many. They are completely stable. There's nothing to worry about. They are in fact feeling better this morning. They are comfortably placed, is what the officials are, hospital authorities are telling us. They are also saying that their vitals are stable. The blood chemistries are also completely acceptable. So the doctors here, authorities here telling us that there is no reason to worry. They are not critical. They are entirely and completely stable. They are comfortable and that they are comfortably placed. They've rested well. So that's something that the hospital authorities have been telling us since last evening. And today, once again, just about 10 minutes back, one more statement from the hospital authorities that nothing to worry about. Bachchans are completely stable. Well, as far as Bachchans are concerned, yes, they are stable. There is nothing to worry about. But, we'll have to wait and see what the reports of the rest of the family members will say, because we are talking about rapid antigen tests for which both the Bachchans came out positive. But, thankfully, the other three have come out negative, like be it Jaya Bachchan, be it Aishwarya Bachchan or Aradhya Bachchan, as far as rapid antigen test is concerned. But we are also awaiting swab test results, the RT-PCR test results as well, which comes out usually 24 hours after the test has been done, whereas antigen test results come out immediately. So we're waiting for RT-PCR test results also of the other family members, and hopefully that will also be negative. So as of now, the entire family, in terms of the other members of the family as well as staffers who reside in Jalsa and the other other bungalow of theirs, are all in self-isolation. Of course, BMC doing its bit of, disinfection, sanitization, and ensuring that contact tracing is to the T. People who they've been working with over the last couple of days, the Bachchans who they've been interacting with, they've been in contact with, places where they went out, all that is being traced. So aggressive tracing, isolation and testing is what the BMC is looking at right now, which is why that entire building is now contained and it has been sealed and is being disinfected as well. So yes, contact tracing is the focus right now, since both the Bachchans are completely stable, as being said by the hospital authorities right now.
All right, stay on with us, Radhika. We also have our entertainment editor, Rajiv Masand. We also have Meet Trivedi, who joins us live from outside the Bachchan residence. But coming to you first, Rajiv, ironically, in that interview with you a couple of weeks ago, Abhishek Bachchan had spoken about how he was really concerned about the health of his parents, both of whom are in their 70s, and also his daughter, who is also in the vulnerable age group.
Yes, you're right. I did actually speak with Abhishek Bachchan 2 weeks ago. And, since it was common knowledge that he had been dubbing for his web show, the obvious question was, are you concerned? And in fact, he said that he wasn't concerned so much for himself because all precautions were taken at the dubbing studio. He said that, he pointed out how, typically a dubbing studio would be filled with people, but at a time like this, there's only the director and the sound recordist. Aside from himself, all sanitization of the notes, of the mask, all of that was being done, and he was only taking off the mask when he actually had to, when he had to actually speak. Apart from that, he said that the only worry or the only concern, of course, was for his family, especially for his parents, both of whom are in their 70s, and his 8-year-old daughter, since, of course, they are most vulnerable. But he also explained very clearly that all precautions were being taken, that they had installed a sanitization booth within the home, and, practices were being efforts were being made, practices were being, put into place where, for as far as possible, so to avoid the spread of the virus. He was speaking about how anybody who enters the home, whether it's an outsider or a family member who has been outside, would have to put their clothes for wash the moment they stepped into the home, and wear fresh clothes, and other kind of procedures were put into place. But he did express concern for his family. He said that one has to be concerned, for older parents and for young children. But he said that, but he also spoke about, and that's important because he also spoke about how, despite all of these things, and while taking precautions, he was also on some level, happy to be working again, because it sort of sends, it kind of leaves you with a feeling of normalcy. And this incident, of course, and the fact that they've, Amitabh Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan have in fact tested positive, goes to prove that despite all precautions, I mean, this is obviously the rapid spread of the virus is something that we cannot ignore.
Right, it's a wake-up call for all of us as well. Stay on with us, Rajiv. Also going to Mihir, who joins us live from outside the Bachchan residence. Mihir, bring us up to speed with what you're seeing around you. We believe a notice has been put up. If you could just show us the notice, that the BMC has pasted a short while ago.
Absolutely. I'm outside Jalsa right now. That's where the Bachchan stayed. But from what we understand and what we know for sure, is that it's not just Jalsa but also Pratiksha and Janak. Janak is Mr. Bachchan's office that has been contained and sealed completely. So now there is a banner outside Jalsa, and there are similar banners outside other properties of Mr. Bachchan. In fact, the adjoining property to this Jalsa bungalow is also being sealed by the BMC to ensure that they contain the virus. Remember, in the morning, BMC staff did visit here, staff that belong to the disinfection department, and they did carry out an entire drill of sanitization. And this will happen again sometime in the evening. That's what we understand, and it is going to go on for a couple of days in all three properties of Mr. Bachchan in this particular area. And of course, inside there were doctors who visited just to take a stock of the situation, just to understand whether somebody is showing any sort of symptoms, and that is the kind of approach the government has been having. It is very aggressive, so they are tracing, tracking, monitoring, and testing and treating, of course, if there are symptoms. But the government is leaving no stone unturned. They are making sure that every precaution is taken in, and it is not different for anyone, so to say. So all the precautions are being taken, all the measures, all the protocols are being strictly followed in this case. Remember, this is a very posh locality. This is the Juhu area, and it is home to many of the film celebrities. In fact, just the lane behind this Jalsa bungalow, there is Mr. Dharmendra's bungalow. Ajay Devgan stays here. Aditya Chopra stays here. So most of them are very concentrated here. So this landmark of Mumbai of sorts has turned into a containment zone. That is a worry also for people in the neighborhood, because you really don't know at this point, like Rajiv Masan mentioned, that it's the rapid spread of the virus which is worrying at this point.
All right, I think also we all need to remember that this is a message to all of us that we all need to keep exercising precautions, because remember, the virus can hit anyone. But thank you, Mihir, for joining us. Thank you, Rajiv, as well as Radhika, for joining us earlier as well. On that note, it's a wrap on the show. Thank you for watching. But do remember that these are the last 5